Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Joycey, your maths teacher. I hope everyone is fine and safe at your home, right children? Okay. See children, in the previous class we have completed one lesson. Do you know that? Yes, we have completed the lesson handling data. I hope you have understood about handling data. Handling data is a small and simple chapter, isn't it? Yes. I hope you have completed the exercise problems from the chapter Handling Data, right, children? Okay. So, today we are going to start our new lesson. This is our last chapter named as Concept of Multiplication. We have already learned addition and subtraction, right? So in this lesson, we will learn about multiplication. Before that, we have to learn repeated addition. So first, let us see what is repeated addition. See children, this is Ammu. Ammu's mother goes to her mother's house. She asks Ammu to be a good girl and take care of the household. She recollects that her mother feeds the birds regularly. She decides to give them food. But for that, she needs to count the number of birds on the windows. Ammu knows adding and then she counts the windows. She first starts counting the number of windows that are 1, 2, 3. 3 windows. So, on each of the 3 windows, there are 2 hungry birds sitting and waiting for food. So, Ammu decides to count the number of birds. So, there are 2 birds on the first window, 2 birds on the second window, and 2 birds on the third window. Ammu knows adding. Then she adds like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total there are 6 birds on the windows. Or we can read as 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So all the 3 windows together have 6 birds. But while Ammu was doing this, it took a lot of time and the birds were getting very impatient. So children, can we help Ammu to count the number of birds in an easier manner? Children, we know that there are 2 birds on each of the 3 windows. There are 3 windows and 2 birds on each window. 2 plus 2 plus 2 gives us 6. Now observe carefully over here. 2 is added 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So, the same number, that is number 2, is added how many times? Yes, 3 times. So 2 is added 3 times. Children, when we add the same number again and again or repeatedly, we called it repeated addition. See children, adding the same number again and again is repeated addition. Okay, so let us see some more examples for repeated addition. See children, here you can see 5 groups. In each group there are 2 cherries. That is, there are 5 groups. Each group has 2 cherries. How do you find out the total number of cherries? Let us add. Here each group has the same number of cherries, that is 2 cherries. That is, we have to add the number 2 5 times. We know adding the same number again and again is called repeated addition. Here we have to add the number 2 5 times. That is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So the total number of cherries is equal to 10. So we can say that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. That is 5 groups of 2 cherries each is equal to 10 cherries. Right children? Let us solve 2 more examples. In the first example, we can see 4 groups. Tell me children, how many pencils are there in each group? Yes, we can see there are 3 pencils in each group. That is 4 groups of 3 pencils each. Here we have to find out the total number of pencils. What will you do? Yes, we will add the number of pencils. We know each group has 3 pencils. So let us add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is, here we can see 4 groups. Here we have to add the number 3 4 times. That is, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So let us write here 12. That is, 4 groups of 3 pencils each is equal to 12. Let us listen to the next example. Here we can see 3 groups. In each group has 5 flowers. That is, 3 groups of 5 flowers each. So for finding the total number of flowers, we have to add the number of flowers in each group. That is, here we have to add the number 5 3 times, because each group has 5 flowers and there are 3 groups. So let us add 5 3 times. When we add 5 3 times, we will get 15. That is, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. That is, 3 groups of 5 flowers each is equal to 15. So children, adding the same number again and again is called repeated addition. Children, when we write the numbers in repeated addition form, that is called addition fact. In the first example, we saw there are 5 groups of 2 cherries each is equal to 10. Then we wrote 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. See, this is addition fact. Okay children. In the second example, we saw 4 groups of 3 pencils each is equal to 12. So let us write this in the addition fact form. That is, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. The third example, we saw 3 groups of 5 flowers which is equal to 15. So tell me children, how you write this in addition fact? Yes, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. This is the addition fact for 3 groups of 5 flowers each is equal to 15. So children, in this way you can write the addition facts. Okay. Do you know children, there is one more name for repeated addition. The other name for repeated addition is called multiplication. Whether same number is repeated, then to make it more easier, we can simply write that in multiplication form. Children, we have to learn how to change the repeated addition form into multiplication form. That we will discuss in the next class. So today we have discussed about repeated addition. I hope you have understood about repeated addition. So study well and practice well. See children, I have attached notes of lesson and a worksheet along with this video. You have to write down the notes and do the exercise problem in your textbook. So let me conclude today's session. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.